I'm Miao. Welcome to watch my video about Beijing daily life. I hope I can give you some advice about traveling in Beijing. I've been so tired these days. It's 10 o'clock at night. I decided to go out for the late night snacks. I had to eat something. Beijing's late night snacks, especially when eaten out, mainly consist of skewers. Always skewers. Skewers are always on my menu. But tonight's skewer are very special. They are not beef or lamb skewers. They are squid skewers and bigger than my face. Can you believe that? And there are also silkworm pupae and cicadas. Don't you believe me? Follow my video and see for yourself. Let's go. This restaurant is in Beijing, the place where I grew up. I think I mentioned so many times in my videos. And many of my videos were shot here, just like the previous one about Yunhe Temple and the buy-in sesame paste. I can't say this restaurant is an old Beijing brand, but it has been around for a long time. After I started working, my friends and I often came here for the late night snack. It is opened until 4 a.m. I think it's a place that local visit, so the price is okay. So I want to introduce this restaurant for you. And the ordering method is very traditional. And you ordered the skewers at that window. And it's a traditional way that what you see is what you get. So let's order the skewers first. Squid skewer. Scared. I can't eat them.
终于好了，269号。
我是哪里的？
好了吗？
好了。好了。
你吃还带走？
带着吃。
辣椒要吗？
要。Okay, I finished my order. After I got my number, then I can go inside, looking for a seat.
对，装个碗。
你再拿盆盛一盛，我给你拿碗去。
牛肉刀削面大碗，还有牛肉拉面大碗。
牛肉刀虾大碗，拉面大碗的。
对 ，You can order noodles at this window. What I love about this place is they have varieties of noodles. I can only eat noodles to feel full. Just meat isn't enough for me. 好嘞，谢谢。My noodles is ready too. Look at the beef noodles with the cilantro and add some vinegar in it. Smells so good. I feel so satisfied. Look at this. Our skewers are ready. The squid skewers. Bigger than my face, right? You know, this restaurant is famous for their squid skewer. Because the name of this restaurant is Beijing grilled squid. I'd like to introduce you some other skewers I ordered. They are lamb skewers, ordinary lamb. And these three skewers are very special. This one is lamb kidney. This one is chicken gizzard. And this one is pig's intestines. Impressive, right? Grilled scallop. Delicious. You know, Beijing is not near the sea, so the seafood like this brought in the nearby cities. So I wonder, do you guys eat squid and ever eat grilled? Leave a comment and let me know, okay? Okay, I'm about to enjoy my late night snack and hope you are not too jealous, okay? And if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye 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 bye.